up like
What's poppin', my favorite YouTube people? It's your favorite BBW, and I am back with another tutorial. And today I'm gonna do a tutorial on baby hairs. And when people ask me to do tutorials on baby hairs, I get kind of anxiety because like it's so many baby hairs. Like it's so many different kind of baby hairs. Like you have dramatic baby hairs, you have swoops. Like it's just so many. So I'm gonna try to show you guys multiple baby hairs, so you guys can have kind of like options. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and do that right now. Stop the video, pause, subscribe. Thank you. So right now I do not have any baby hairs fixed currently at the moment. I mean, I have baby hairs, but they're not fixed currently at the moment. And just a FYI, I usually never had these baby hairs. I kind of make my own baby hairs, so you can just cut them with scissors however you like. It's your option. Some of y'all have baby hairs already and some of y'all don't. I didn't really have, I mean, I had baby hairs, but they were like so long, like this shit's. So I just cut mine by myself with some scissors. So if you want to do that, that's the option. So stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to use is, you already know the motherfucking Eco Styling Gel. Like, come on. But you guys can use any gel you want, any jam, edge control, whatever you prefer. I like this, and then I go over it with Got to Be Glued styling gel because this makes it stay extra long, like days. So yeah, I'm gonna go over it with this first. And whenever I do my baby hairs, I usually start at the bottom and then work my way up, because so stuff won't get in the way. So just keep watching. Okay guys, so pretty much right here, basically all I'm doing is piecing the parts separate, basically, because you can make however many baby hairs you want, but I usually use about 3 baby hairs. So this is what I'm doing in this video. I'm just piecing how many baby hairs I want, and then just putting gel on each part. Okay, so what I need over here is just simple swirls, like simple baby hairs. And right here I'm gonna show you guys like a more dramatic baby hair, so you guys will know how to do it. And like when you're doing baby hairs, you're not gonna get it the first 10 times, probably more than that. Like baby hairs is really hard. It's like an art. So you just gotta kind of like keep practicing, I guess, because I'm still learning how to do baby hairs. Like some days my baby hairs be like raggedy as hell, but you just kind of play with it. You just kind of like build a swirl, kind of, I guess. But I like really dramatic baby hairs, but I'm just trying to show you guys other options. But yeah, you just kind of play with it till you feel like you like it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and swoop this up. So you're basically just like brushing it down and then following it with your finger, and then kind of like making it diagonal, you know, like kind of like that. Oh, that's cute, girl. These over here is so long. So I'm gonna just show y'all like a swirl baby hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a swirl over here, like like I said, y'all not gonna get this the first time. Like, baby hairs, you really have to practice on these. Okay, over here I did more of a dramatic one. Okay, so over here I have swoops, just basic baby hair swoops. And then over here I have like a more dramatic one. And I'm going to go over these with Got to Be Glutathione gel so they will stick. So basically, baby hairs are what you prefer. And I prefer you guys to either use this. It's a baby hair brush, edge control brush, whatever you want to call it. Or this. This works really good because you can use this in to kind of like, you know, build your baby hair type shit. But this is basically the technique you're using. Brush down, swoop over. Brush down, swoop over. Brush down, swoop over. I follow it with my fingers so that way it'll stay. It's hard, you guys. Like, you're gonna have to practice this because baby hairs are very difficult. And if you think otherwise, then you just got like magical powers or some shit, because baby hairs is hard. Oh, I forgot these. Let me do these. Baby hairs are life. Like, you can literally wear baby hairs with everything, and they make everything look so much, all your hairstyles look so much better. Okay. And again, if you don't have baby hairs, make your own, sis. Like, stop playing yourself. Stop playing yourself. Okay, so this is the finishing look. You have to be patient when you're doing baby hairs because you're going to get mad. You're going to get mad. They take a lot of patience and practice. So, and if you guys like this extended ponytail, let me know and I'll make a video on it. Okay. Okay. But no, for real, let me know if y'all want a tutorial on this extended ponytail, because I'm loving this ponytail.
Steady claiming that everyone know we together, but you steady choosing. Swear I cannot win for losing. I've been out here being faithful. I always got this on lockdown, but that ain't been keeping us stable. So I guess I know what